In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit full screen on TradingView. By the end, you'll know how to enter full screen to maximize your chart and, most importantly, how to get out of it quickly without losing your place. I'll walk you through it in a clear, simple way so you can follow along on any desktop browser. Start by opening TradingView.com in your browser. You can use the site without changing any settings for this walkthrough. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a search bar where you can look up any market symbol. This is just to bring up a chart so we can demonstrate full screen and how to exit it. Next, pick a stock or another asset and launch the full chart view. Type the ticker symbol into the search bar, select the result, and then open the advanced chart. This brings up the standard TradingView charting interface with tools on the left, the main price chart in the center, and panels like the watch list on the right. Getting into the advanced chart is important because the full screen option lives here, not on the lightweight preview. Now let's expand the chart. Look to the top right area of the chart interface for the full screen control. It's the icon with outward facing arrows that says full screen when you hover over it. Click that icon once. The chart will instantly fill your screen, hiding side panels and most browser Chrome so you can focus on price action and drawings without distractions. If your toolbar temporarily fades, just move your mouse to the top edge to reveal it again. This is normal behavior in full screen. When you're ready to come back to the regular layout, press the ESC key on your keyboard. A single press should exit full screen and restore the standard chart interface, including your watch list, time frames, and drawing tools, exactly where you left them. If it doesn't respond at first, click anywhere on the chart to make sure the window is active, then press ESC again. You can also click the same full screen icon in the top right to toggle it off, which accomplishes the same thing. Either way, you'll return to the normal view without changing your symbol or losing your work. That's all there is to it. Visit TradingView.com, open a chart in the advanced view, enter full screen using the top right icon, and exit by pressing ESC. Practice it a couple of times and it will become second nature, especially when you want a distraction-free view and a quick way back to your layout. Thanks for watching and happy charting.